Have you ever nailed an audition, felt amazing about it, but you still didn't get the call back? You're not alone. In this video, I'm revealing 5 common mistakes that actors make in the audition that cost them the roles. Mistake number 1, not understanding the character. Have you ever walked into an audition room and the character just felt like a blank canvas? I've been there. I was auditioning for a role where I thought, well, it's a pretty simple character, just a supporting friend, and I didn't take the time to dig deeper. I missed the chance to understand what the character truly wanted, what they were afraid of, and how they reacted to different situations. To avoid this, you need to ask yourself, who is the character? What are their goals, fears, and relationships with others? You need to live and breathe the character. Spend time with the script and get into their mindset. This will help you create a unique and authentic performance that matches the character's need. Mistake number 2, overacting or underacting. I had to put these two into one because they go hand in hand. You either overact or you underact, which are both wrong. We've all seen it. Either the actor is hamming it up so much that it is almost cringeworthy, or they're so overwhelming that you wonder if they're really trying. I've seen people being guilty of this. I remember auditioning someone who was so nervous that they over-exaggerated their performance. This actor thought that me as a casting director would want to see her act hard. You understand? But it was completely off mark, the character, and I didn't respond well to it. Here's the secret. Find the sweet spot. Don't try to overdo it. The key to connecting with the audience and the casting team is finding moments of vulnerability and truth in the performance that you're giving. Just make sure that you stay grounded. Every moment is often more powerful than something that is over the top. Mistake number 3, poor eye contact or the lack of connection. You know what it's like to walk into an audition room and be unsure where to look. Maybe you're reading your lines off the paper or to the reader's face, but you're not truly connecting with the situation or the material in front of you. That's a mistake I see a lot of our students at Movable Pictures make, and I used to make as well. There was this one audition where I was so focused on remembering my lines that I lost sight of the fact that I was not really in the scene. The casting director could tell that I wasn't really present with the character, and that is why I didn't get the role. Here's how to fix it. Make sure that you're connecting with the material and the people you're sharing the scene with, even if they are just readers off camera. Look them straight in the eye. If you're doing a self-tape, imagine if you're performing directly in front of a reader, or even better, a casting director. Build that emotional connection even if it is just for a few seconds. Okay, we are halfway through the mistakes that we do in the auditions. New and intermediate actors really do struggle when it comes to auditions and booking. That is why I've created an actor's audition checklist, which will take you from preparing to go to the auditions and what to do after you've done the job, assuming that you got the job. But following the steps exactly as they are in the checklist will guarantee you getting the role. So don't miss a beat in your acting journey. Use the code GET90 to get 90% off. This is only for the first 50 people. After that, the prices will go back to normal. And now, did I mention that it is interactive, meaning that you can check off the steps you have completed. So grab your copy using the first link in the description below. This is the tool to keep you on track and focused on your goals. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. What is the biggest mistake you've done in auditions and how did you overcome it? Let's carry on. Mistake number 4, not being prepared for a call read. Call reading. Those dreaded moments where you walk into a room and you're given a script that you've never seen before. I'll be honest, I used to freeze up when it comes to call readings. I relied too much on memorizing my lines beforehand. So when I was faced with a fresh script, I struggled to pull it off convincingly. I struggled to pull it off convincingly. I could feel the tension in the room rising and I didn't book the role. To fix this, practice call reading. Get used to quickly scanning a scene, finding the tone and understanding the character's intentions on the spot. This skill is incredibly important in today's audition world. The more you practice this, the more confident and comfortable you will become. Even if you do not know every word, just trust your instincts. Mistake number 5, failing to tailor your performance to the director's vision. This is a big one. It's easy to walk into a room and think that you know what the role needs or what the role should look like. But sometimes it is not about how you think or what you think, but it is about what the director is looking for. I remember one audition where I went in with a friend. We went in with a performance that we thought was perfect for the role, but it didn't match the tone that the director was looking for. He wanted a more understated and natural approach, but we were playing it bigger, thinking it was dramatic enough. Obviously we didn't get the role, but on his next audition he did his homework on the project that he was auditioning for. He researched the director's past work and the tone of the work of the film that he was going to audition for, and most importantly he listened during the audition. When the casting director or the director gave him notes, he took them to heart and adjusted his performance accordingly. If you ever felt stuck in auditions or felt unsure on how to stand out, check out my video with the link in the description below, which will walk you through the things you should never do in the auditions. In the video I dive deep into things that could be sabotaging your chances of booking your next role, and I'm sharing some secrets on how to fix it. You don't want to miss that video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to grab your copy to the first link in the description below and elevate your acting journey. Use the code GET90 to get 90% off, but this is only available for the first 90 people. After that the price will go back to normal. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you liked what you just seen, because this is what the channel is about, teaching and guiding new actors and new filmmakers. My name is Reto and I'll see you next time.